These few foods can help protect you from the common cold. With the onset of autumn cold weather and damp weather, many people begin an active period of flu illnesses. All the symptoms of a cold and malaise appear on their faces. And to maximize their safety, doctors advise eating at least 3 to 4 different fruits a day. Reduced daylight hours, as well as frequent temperature changes that are observed in autumn and winter, negatively affect not only the psychological state, but also significantly weaken the immune system. There are a number of products that can protect the human body from pathogenic viruses and bacteria. First of all, these are fruits and berries. According to experts, these vitamin natural sweets carry excellent protection to the body. Fruits and berries can be consumed with honey. It should be remembered that honey with tea and other hot drinks can be consumed only with a bite. Hot water kills its beneficial properties. Doctors separately turn their attention to citrus fruits. Lemons, tangerines and oranges are known to be rich in vitamin C and other equally useful ingredients. If they cost you too much, you can replace them with rosehip infusion, berries, apples and sauerkraut. An interesting fact, there is more vitamin C in sauerkraut than in lemon. Cranberries and grapefruits nourish the body with vitamins, which not only protect against diseases, but also normalize the work of the cardiovascular system. Orange fruits and vegetables, persimmon, pumpkin, carrots contain beta-carotene, alpha-carotene, lutein, quercetin, vitamin A. Bright fruits and vegetables, broccoli, tomatoes and onions contain quercetin, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Separately, the doctor is reminded of the benefits of greenery. It is important not only to strengthen your immune system. During the period of an epidemic rise in the incidence, it is especially important to wash hands frequently, clean common areas, door handles, for example, with antibacterial solutions, and try not to touch the mucous membranes, eyes, nose, mouth, with your hands not washed. It is also important to minimize contact with people who are already sick. If you are already sick, but you need to go to work, buy a mask at the pharmacy. This will help not infect others. But do not forget that the mask should be changed regularly. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Make sure you check useful links in the video description below. Have a great day.